Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Library of Ruina. This game combines strategic deck building with turn-based combat, offering a truly unique experience. You'll manage a library, inviting various guests to engage in intense card battles. Your goal is to collect new battle pages and powerful EGO pages by successfully defeating these encounters, all while unraveling a deep and engaging story. At its core, combat in Library of Ruina revolves around dice rolls. When you play a battle page, you'll roll dice to determine the outcome of your attacks and defenses. The key is to clash with enemy attacks, aiming to win these one-on-one engagements to gain an advantage and inflict damage. As battles progress, your emotion levels will rise, unlocking access to incredibly powerful EGO pages and unique abilities. Building effective decks is crucial for success. You'll construct unique battle page decks for each of your librarians, carefully selecting cards that complement each other. Furthermore, equipping key pages from defeated guests allows your librarians to inherit their stats and powerful passive abilities. Experiment with different combinations and synergies between your cards and key pages to create optimal builds for any challenge you face. Your journey through Library of Ruina involves inviting and defeating a wide array of guests, each advancing the compelling narrative. As you progress, you'll unlock new sections of your library, expanding your available resources and strategic options. Always adapt your strategies to counter specific enemy resistances and weaknesses. Mastering these mechanics is essential to conquer the game's most challenging encounters and truly succeed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.